the onion ready while that's doing. So if you sift it, if there's any lumps or whatever in there, it'll come out. That used to be my job when I was a little kid. I thought I was just so important.
Okay.
Okay. The dough hook. I love the smell of the yeast. It
Yeah, me
reminds
too.
me of my mom and my nanny.
Mix it.
Doesn't that smell good?
Yeah.
Mixing it, it's causing the gluten to come. We have to have a bowl that has oil in it. Now, I'm going to take a cloth and just make it wet. You can also use plastic.
Oh, wet kitchen paper.
Yep.
Oh, it's good. Good temperature.
Yeah. And then we'll leave the door open a little bit.
Yeah.
So it doesn't
Cook.
yeah.
So we use this on topping for the bread.
Correct.
So take it out.
Yes, be careful, it might be a little hot.
It is not hot. Sounds like.
You're supposed to do this.
Onion.
So these are the sweet, partially cooked onion.
So how long for that?
About 15 minutes.
15?
So the spaghetti and the bread should be about the same time.
Good.
There we go.